Okay, and hello. I just wanted to give you a quick review of this, the new and revamped website here by the accountancy lecturer Tony Sturridge. This is his new website, fantastic looking kind of product here. It's a resource website, obviously dedicated to the accounting and finance profession, as it says there. For those of you who don't know who Tony Sturridge is an accountancy author and lecturer, working predominantly in the fields of the ACCA and CIMA, amongst others. I believe he also teaches on various MBA courses and financial seminars. Excuse me. Well, anyway, here's the first initial review, shall we say, of the new website of Tony Sturridge. We're going to have a quick look at the different functions. As you can see here straight away, it's got this fantastic new kind of interactive flash screen at the beginning with various characters and the different departments within the website: chat, learn, work, advance, and update. As you scroll down, you've got the more in-depth descriptions of as to what each section are. But let's go through them each one by one. Chat, for example, is the forum, the tonysturridge.co.uk forum. Here's a great place if you're studying ACCA or accountancy in general, or any other kind of finance topic whilst you're there, and like to put forward some questions and answers to your fellow peers, and perhaps even the author himself to be able to have a look at. It's standard, just like anything else. Go in and put forward your reviews. Obviously, there is the customer who's quite content about one of the materials. Let's return back to the home page. I mean, at the end of the day, the forum, it is an active forum. It's there for everyone to use. It's a standard kind of use. It's free to use, but it's a fantastic little resource if that's of any interest for you. I think the predominant feature on this website at the moment is the learn function here, or exam material if you click at the top here. I mean, the learn, let's just click through to that. As I mentioned there, Tony Sturridge and his team, they are authors of ACCA study materials. They do create their own. They are very much making a name for themselves. I mean, Tony Sturridge himself, I think he's been around for over 30 years. But his students know him very well globally and do keep coming back, and he has got a very good reputation for himself. Now his products now obviously reflect that experience and that teaching caliber. Down the left hand side are all the different titles which are currently available for the ACCA books, and more specifically the e-books that they write. Very simple to click into any one of them. Click in, and you get the usual along the bottom here. You got the synopsis, contents, who should use, customers, and obviously some reviews. It's pretty easy, flexible, and sorry to repeat myself, easy to use website. There isn't a lot of concentration required or a lot of technical ability. It's easy to navigate. It's fantastic colouring. It's not too bad on the eyes. So straight away you can just jump from one section to another, F1 to F2 to F5. And best yet of all, if you want to see a free sample download chapter, you can do. Just click on it. Let's have a look. There it is. Up pops a new PDF, I believe. And away we go. Here is a perfect sample of one of the Tony Sturridge ACCA ebooks that they publish. This is just a sample chapter, but even still, it's absolutely fantastic. Let's just go back to the website now for a minute. Okay, we're back to the website here. Obviously, you've got the full catalogue here. They are, I believe, writing for more ACCA subjects. So if there isn't everything up there which you need right now, you can just register on the website, and obviously you'll be given some more updates as and when. But that there is the exam material. Now let's just go back to the home page and just move on. Work is a fantastic little section here. This is a job site. I mean, this truly is a website which encompasses all aspects that you could want as an accountancy student or as an accountancy professional. It is designed as a one-stop website for resource information. We've just obviously had a look at the various study products that they have, and now here we are, we're looking at a job board. So let's just select, if I was to choose something here like 5 miles within, let's even just put it, I mean, straight away as I started typing up there, the various areas came up. Let's just say I'm in London Bridge. There we go. So if I want something within 5 miles of London Bridge, and let's say I choose an ACCA qualified position, I'll leave the rest blank for the moment. Let's just see as to what we get. Hit the search button. Just like any other job board, they are. Straight away you can see all the various jobs which are available and on the market there as advertised here with the tonysarge.co.uk website. But it's so much more than that. I mean, if we can just go back to that job section again, down the bottom here we've got a boost your chances section, which is just brilliant. It's just a whole load of articles and tips and techniques for getting your foot in the interview door, how to arrange your CV in the suitable format which employers and recruitment companies want to see. So straight away, here's an article. Let's have a look at this one here. How to write a computer-friendly CV. That's just what I'm picking from random now. Straight away, I mean, look, you can just read through this in your own time. It's absolutely free. I mean, the authors here have obviously written out these resources here to help you try and achieve your jobs. And straight away on the left-hand side, there's a whole load more things. 135 possible interview questions and answers. Again, useful information for any kind of prospective candidate going for an accountancy job. I mean, there's so much here. It's absolutely fantastic. It really is. On top of that, I mean, let's just go back now to the main page again, back to this fantastic home screen. We've just had a look at work, we've had a look at learn, which is obviously the e-books, the ACCA e-books that they sell, and chat, which is a forum. Now let's go to the advanced. The advance is obviously, I'm guessing, to actually signify an advance in your career. This here is a seminar section, which has which is obviously here to describe your business seminars and to help you in preparation with your current or an existing career. Presumably this kind of goes above and beyond your professional qualifications. They could possibly be used for your CPD credits if you are with an accountancy body or some sort of financial institute. But straight away on, as you can see here, there's different seminar categories. If we just go here to locations and dates, I mean, straight away you can see they have a number of seminars around the world. Let's just click on this one here: finance and accounting for the non-accounting, for the non-financial manager. Oh, straight away, there we go. Let's just have a look at this one here, which is upcoming. Again, full detail about the seminar in plain, simple English, easy laid out, easy to review. How you will benefit. I mean, straight away there are little tests here to find out who should attend. Here's the full seminar program. I mean, look at that. There's a lot of information here. I find this website fantastic, if the truth be told. I mean, I am slightly biased towards it because I just love it. This really is a good website for the purpose of to be used as a resource for accountants and finance professionals. There's so much information here, and it's going to help you in every step of your career, I believe, and I heavily promote it. Lastly, let's go to the update section. I mean, if that wasn't enough, you've got news channels here keeping you up to date. And now I appreciate everyone here these days probably is attached to Yahoo or Google, MSN, where they might have a respective RSS feeds or news feeds. The only difference here is this website, this section, industry news section here on the tonysarge.co.uk website. This thing here is dedicated to finance articles, accounting articles. I mean, straight away you can see the different channels that they've got here, from BBC News, Sky News, Bank of England News, CNN News. Tony Sarge themselves have their own small little division where they will write articles pertinent to the industry. Financial Times. I mean, these are company names which don't need any explanation. For those of you who are in ACCA, for example, they have the accountancystudents.co.uk website here, who they partner with, and there are a number of articles here, and of course the PQ magazine, which is one of the leading magazines here in UK and possibly worldwide for accountancy. Again, news feeds. These are updated daily, and so as an accountant or financial professional looking to keep abreast of what's going on in the industry, I mean, you don't need to look any further than that. Have a quick look here at the archives. Yet again, a whole list of previous articles and a fountain of knowledge, simple as that. Just going back to the website here. If you want more in depth as to who Tony Sturridge is, it's very simple. Just go to the About Us. There's a lot of in-depth knowledge here about who Tony Sturridge himself is, his past, as well as what he currently provides and what his goals are. At the end of the day, this tonysturridge.co.uk website, I will give it a recommendation without a shadow of a doubt to anyone who is studying for the ACCA qualifications or perhaps any other kind of financial qualifications in the field of accountancy predominantly. This truly is a one-stop shop resource website for accountancy professionals, especially for those in the ACCA, and I heavily recommend it. Please have a look at it. It's the new revamped website, tonysturridge.co.uk, tonysurdridge.co.uk. Fantastic, and I wish everyone all the best of luck with their studies.